पुष्कर, तू क्या कर रहा है?
मैं भगवान से प्रे कर रहा हूँ कि आज सबको अच्छा खासा इंटरनेट मिले, अच्छा किसी बैंडविड्थ मिले, ताकि आज सब हमसे जुड़े रहें. So I request you all to unmute yourself and please welcome with a round of applause our chief guest and guest of honor. I would also like to welcome all the Rotarians, district council members and fellow Rotaractors.
A leader is only a leader when she influences people to work on goals which are not always worth pursuing for them before. A leader is somebody who in advance does not use her power to force her goals to be achieved. She is social and she can inspire people. I would now request our Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Rotractor Pratik Vidwan to adorn the collar on our President, Rotractor Nisha Raju.
Thereby, I call the installation to order.
Yes, as the installation is in order. So yes, Isha.
Now, as per our ritual, let us all rise for the national anthem. Before we begin, we would like to offer our sincere gratitude to all the frontline workers who have been relentlessly providing the citizens with their invaluable service. We would also like to offer our condolences to all those who have laid down their lives during this tough period.
New Year sets in. Let us go through what all was done last year. I would now like to request the best team secretariat of RID 3142, Rotractor Priya Bhattacharjee and Rotractor Aishwarya John, to unmute themselves and present the secretarial reports for the year 2020-2021.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Joint Secretary Rotractor Aishwarya John, along with the Secretary Rotractor Priya Bhattacharjee, will be giving you all the gist of all projects done throughout the year. Next slide, please. We are pleased to announce that a total number of 283 projects were conducted in the year 2020-2021. RCTD holds pride and gratification for doing many remarkable projects and making a difference in people's life and the society. First Avenue, Club Sub. We have done a total number of 23 projects for the year. Highlighting a few projects of Club Serve. Starry Nights with RCTD, Charades with RCTD, Relacionado, Trivia Month, Night of Terror, and many much more projects. Next slide. Community service. Community service has been one of the best avenues in RCTD by doing many projects which touched many lives throughout the year. Some of those projects are Drop of Hope, 30 Days of Gratitude, Circle of Love, SAM, Asha Hai, Gift of Warmth, Midday Meal. Next slide. International service. We have set no limits to the boundaries between countries for this avenue by bonding with every other Rotaract club throughout the globe. Some of those projects are Huda Youth, Memory Matters, Fight Against Alzheimer, Muskurahat, World Education Day, Let's Talk 2.0, and many more projects. The total number of projects conducted in ISD is 68. Next. Professional development. Our directors have made sure that they create such projects which influence people in every way. Some of those projects are Breaking the Stereotypes, Next Think Tank, Kala 3.0, Jam, Just a Minute, Is Justice Delayed, Justice Denied, Salsa Workshop, Ignitus MUN. Ignitus MUN has been conducted for the first time in the history of RID 314. The total number of projects conducted in professional development are 24. Next slide, please. Entrepreneurship development. Our directors have made sure to bring innovation in this pandemic with a very innovative projects such as Ye Rakhi Rotaract Wali, Startup Forum, Homemade Magic, Happy Diwali 5.0, RCTD Day Out for Industrial Visit, and many more. The total number of projects conducted in ED are 16. Next. Sports. In this pandemic, it has become difficult to enjoy sports in a normal way. So with both online and offline sports, our directors have made sure that the Rotractors bond very well in the year, throughout the year. The some of the highlights of the projects are the sports trivia, 15 days Surya Namaskar challenge, sports extravaganza, Spardha, RCTD cricket, Call of Duty tournament, checkmate, and many more. Sports, total number of projects, 13. Editorial, we have our editors have made sure that the members not only get good content to read, but also learn and improve their vocabulary for English with their projects such as Wordo, Dil Ki Baatein, The Gita Says, It's Lit, the WhatsApp library, and many more. Total number of projects for editorial are 32. PIS, Partners in Service. Some projects are Inter-District RILA, Sex Ed, Opportunities through Rotary, Scribble with Interactors, Ripen, Wisdom, Steer Your Path to Success by PDC Smita Batra. Downtown PIS Bash, E-RILA, Manthan, Annadan, Interact Week with ICTD and RCTD, and many more. Total number of projects conducted in PIS are 21. Priya will be continuing with the SEC report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So I would like to take this forward and give you all an highlight of the rest of the avenues and the highlights for the year 2020-21. I hope that I'm audible to you all. So firstly, PR and marketing. A total number of 20 projects was done throughout this year for PR and marketing avenue, which was not limited to, but spread across various domain, which included Gitwa, Bus Acidity, Beach Warriors, Each One Get One, O2 for You, which are some of the highlights for the year. This project received a lot of appreciation from the members in Rotary, Rotrac 3142 and beyond. Moving forward, digital communications. The year was very much special in terms of digital communications as everything was done online. The Digicom directors made sure to conduct projects throughout the year, which was mainly Made in India, Trending Today, RCTD mobile app, which is still used by the members of the club. Projects like Let's Discuss This, Down the Lane with Downtown, Ayurveda, and Education Policy was also done. A total of 28 projects was done in the digital communications avenue. And I would also like to highlight that on Instagram, we started the year with 700 followers. And by the end of the Rotrac year 2021, we were around 1,500 followers. So that is quite a good increase for the members of the club at RCTD. So kudos to the Digicom director and everyone who made this possible. Moving forward, HRD. So with HRD, we have done a total projects, 15 number of total projects, which were Rock Rotrac, Jashan RCTD, Directors Training Session, Understanding the Official Visit, Club Visit, which was done specifically for the new members and BODs who had joined the club. The VP's initiative was a year-long initiative for the BODs, and RCTD internship, yet another year-long initiative was done along with Your Words Matters. So a total number of 15 projects was done in HRD in this year. Next up, please. Flagship projects. It gives me immense pride to tell you all that even during this pandemic, RCTD made sure that it does and conducts all of its flagship projects with the same enthusiasm that has been done throughout the year. So giving you a little gist of all the flagship projects that we did this year, starting with Raksha Patra. Raksha Patra is a national level project where we donate Rakhis and letters to the army men who are posted in the borders of the country. And this year, the highlight of this year was we were partnered with Times of India for this initiative. Secondly, Eloquence. Eloquence is a professional development initiative which we have been doing for the last 5 years now. And in this project, we go to schools and conduct debate and writing competitions, which help the students improve their oratory skills. Thirdly, Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali is an entrepreneurship development initiative, which is basically a fundraiser where we sell diyas, which basically we buy diyas from the underprivileged and sell them. And this profit is also given to the people through our midday meal certificates. Fourthly, the sports extravaganza, the very much renowned one. We conduct this mega event, which is basically sports, to raise funds for our yet another flagship project, which is the Jaipur Food Donation. And lastly, the Jaipur Food Donation. This year we conducted Jaipur Food Donation and raised around 70,000 INR and provided not only prosthetic legs, but also prosthetic arms to the underprivileged through this initiative. So this is all about the flagship projects. Moving on, official club visit. So RCTD had its official club visit on the 20th of December 2020, which was yet again graced by the DRR Rotarian Protractor Amit Lad. This OCV was very much special as a lot of DCMs and other stakeholders of Rotary District 3142 graced this event by appreciating and providing valuable inputs to the club and its members, and also appreciated and guided us with the projects and the events done. Moving on. Okay, giving you all the gist of the meetings done through this year. We have done a total of 19 general body member meetings, 11 board of director meetings, 8 joint meetings, 1 OCV, which gives to a total of 39 meetings in total throughout the year. Okay, coming to the highlights of the year. Out of the 23 projects that we have done in this year, 54% was reported as early on the district's reporting portal, which is the Pranali. Secondly, throughout the year 2020-21, RCTD has collaborated and partnered with almost 57 different organizations through its PR and marketing avenue, which has yet again set a benchmark for RCTD. Again, for the first time in RCTD, we have been a co-host in the Rotary initiative Disconnect. The project O24U, which was again a PR and ComServe initiative, was recognized as an initiative for COVID-19 response in the Rotaract South Asia MDIO, which is again a milestone for RCTD. We have completed the entrepreneurship development, HRD, PR and marketing, and partner service citation for the year 2020 and 21. Moving on. Achievements. Coming to the achievements of the year for the club, we have completed and signed 2 sister club agreements for the first time in the history of RCTD with RC Kalimati Jamshedpur and RC Delhi Elite. Yet again, a milestone for RCTD. We have also completed and signed 2 twin club agreements with RC Kathmandu Northeast and RC Panadura Sri Lanka. We have also completed the presidential citation for the year 2020-21. RCTD has been awarded with the Best Ambassadorial Club and Best Rotary Relations Award. Now coming to the ARA's ceremony, RCTD has bagged. Can we move on to the next? Yeah, RCTD has bagged 12 ACERs, 3 crowns, 19 project nominations, 23 individual nominations, and as well as stood first in the first club in RID 3142's ARA ceremony, which was held on 10th July 2021. And yet again, RCTD has helped and strived to spread smiles on 50,000 plus lives and touch infinite souls throughout the year through their projects and initiatives. Moving on, please. Okay, so this year indeed has been a game-changing year for RCTD, and despite the pandemic, RCTD continued to touch 50,000 plus lives and spread 1 million smiles on all people. A year to learn by and cherish always for RCTDians. And with this, we sign off. Thank you so much.
चैट बॉक्स बहुत ठंडा लग रहा है यार. कम ऑन, गो आरसीटीडी, टाइप करो कुछ तो. Yes, thank you Priya and thank you Aishwarya for your for the project details. And yes, अगर ये दोनों नहीं होते तो 13 एसर्स, 12 एसर्स, क्राउन्स, नॉमिनेशंस ये हम जीत ही नहीं पाते, बिकॉज जब तक वो प्रणाली पे अपडेट नहीं होंगे तब तक हमको मिलेंगे नहीं. सो यस, गो प्रिया, गो ऐश्वर्या. सो एक वापस एक कविता अर्ज करूंगा. परेशानियों से भागना आसान होता है, हर मुश्किल जिंदगी में एक इम्तिहान होता है. हारने वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, और मुश्किलों से लड़ने वाले के कदमों में ही तो जहान होता है. सो नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट रोट्रैक्टर श्रुति तिवारी टू इंट्रोड्यूस रोट्रैक्टर निशा.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, Shruti, you're audible.
Okay. So, good evening everyone and welcome to our installation ceremony. This is Rotractor Shruti Tiwari, PIS 2021-2022, Rotract Club of Thane Downtown. Talking about Nisha, she is working with ENY and has completed her master's from Symbiosis International University. Since her age of 17 years, she has been serving the community and society by teaching English to young, underprivileged, Adivasi and tribal kids. She is a published author, poetess, editor, and an orator who gives motivational talks and speeches on many topics at various events. She is a leader in Rotract Rotary International for last 6 years and has been a part of the district council for the past 3 years. A few things she always follows is that never compromise with your values and morals, be ambitious and optimistic, respect and treat everyone with love and dignity. She was a student ambassador for Entrepreneurship Cell from her college in IIT Bombay. She is also an avid traveler who's more keen on exploring culture and the unknown parts of places and believes in experiencing each moment during her wander stories. She was also given Karamveer Chakra for her social service and Global Youth Leader Award, recognized by iCongo and United Nations. Also, she has won the India Star Icon Award 2019 for her writing and social service. Poetry was recently applauded with Kalki Gaurav Pushkar Puraskar 2020, which was recognized by various new channels as well. She has taken RCTD to newer heights. While we at RCTD strongly believe that our work should always speak for the things we do, I'm extremely elated to share that we were accorded as first club in entire RID 3142 in her leadership. It's a saying which my personal favorite. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. So here it is. I'm talking about our immediate past president, Rotractor Nisha Raju. Before you take over, Nisha, we have a small token of appreciation for you, and I would request the tech team to play the video. Over to you.
Go Nisha.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Firstly, it was an amazing introduction. Couldn't have had a better person to introduce me. Thank you so much.
Team Digicom of this year. It was a bomb video, trust me. कल तो तुम लोगों ने बोला था कि कुछ video भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, मतलब ऐसे ही देना outgoing speech. But thank you so much for having this video. It means a lot to me. Trust me, I haven't prepared any bomb speech to give today, but I am surely going to be speaking my heart because it is one of those moments, one of those days which I am never going to be forgetting in my life. So to start with, Team Secretariat, this report gave me a glimpse of what all I need to cover in my outgoing speech, and thank you so much for that. It was an amazing PPT. So to start with, Lead Checkpoint 2020, the DRR and the District Secretary had asked us to write a letter to ourselves wherein we had to list down our goals of what we wanted throughout the year. And I very precisely remember writing down 4 things. One, I want RCTD back in top 5. I want minimum 10 new members to be joining RCTD. I want RCTD to have the best relations ever possible with Rotary and Interact that it has. And I want RCTD to be reaching beyond boundaries. That is our global boundaries. And all of them, when I see today, there is a tick, 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 and that means a lot and lot to me. And nothing would have been possible without the team. So to start with, firstly, the fantastic team 2020-21. जब year start हुआ था, I very well remember that Priya and I had a discussion that we will do this. हम लोग Saturday, Sundays अपना job छोड़ के ये करेंगे. During the work days, we will be working on these projects, whichever are possible after our work schedule. But then March came and everything turned upside down. So the first learning what I got from this year is always be ready with your plan B, plan C, plan D, because plan A probably is never going to work, whatever you think. So thank you so much to this presidential year for that. Talking about RCTD, the GBMs. Itne baap GBMs hai na, like we've had the best set of general body members ever we could have had. And thank you so much to all of them. We have the best newcomer Rotractor male as our host. We have all of our best newcomer female, best male, best GBM female, every one of them nominated, and couldn't have had a better set than this, right? So thank you so much to each and every GBM. I won't take names of each of y'all. 75 log hai ye saal, nahi hoga itna naam lene ko, but thank you so much. Moving ahead to the BODs, the foundation, the pillar, the backbone, or whatever you can call them. I have had the best and worst nightmares with them. From telling that, you don't worry, ye project hum log sambhal lenge, to telling me a couple of days before that, bro, ye project nahi ho raha hai, kya karna hai? We have no idea. I have seen them go straight to go haywire, and yet these guys were and are the reason of where we are today. And trust me, couldn't have had better set than this. I reiterate it like a million times. These BODs are like the best ones. Or rather, I would say a few BODs became BODs because we had pandemic. So thanks to pandemic that these guys didn't fly out this year and we had the best set. So when I talk about BODs, I don't want to miss out on thanking the parents of those BODs, because I am pretty sure that जितने मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे डांट लगाया है through the year, उतने उनके भी घर वालों ने डांट लगाया. Whenever, rather, you know, to be frank, I talk to the parents or the BODs. I've had equal fears that कहाँ पे वो ना बोले कि तेरे वजह से मेरे बच्चे बिगड़ गए. So thank you so much to all the parents for ensuring that your kid does well, and also ensuring that, you know, they have worked. So if parents are there, a big fat thank you, congratulations and cheers, because your kid has aced it in every damn possible way. And thank you so much for that. Coming to the core, no core like that of mine, okay? And that is like a point blank statement. This core has seen it all, like the worst things, the best things. We've had fights, we've had best sessions, happy moments, anything and everything.
And thank you so much. I have half of the coding sitting here in front of me, and I cannot thank each of you all. Thank you so much. Mayu, Priya, Tillu, you guys are not, Shinde, you guys are not here, but thank you so much. Means a lot lot more. Talking about lead, right? So that was our year theme: learn, educate, appreciate, develop. I can't fathom enough of how we led and appreciated and developed from being one DCM back there in last year from RCTD, and today having 5 DCMs from RCTD at the best of positions. So kudos you guys. RCTD has been raising the bar higher and higher, and couldn't be enough proud of you all. Like, you guys have been acing it. When I talk about leading, nothing would have been possible without this person. Priya, thank you so much. It means a lot. Had you not been the secretary, half of the things would not have been possible. One quick anecdote. So yeah, I've decided that this speech is going to be with anecdotes. Trust me, I won't take a lot of time, but then आज नहीं तो कभी बोलूंगी यार, मतलब बोल लेने दो. So trust me, I've said this to a few people on Shukriya as well, but then back down in 2019, Priya was the editor when I was the district editor for RCTD. And I remember we just having like a hi, bye, yes, ye project kar le, jo karna hai kar, matlab report it, do it the way you want. Going to the lead checkpoint in Ulhasnagar, and that is something that changed the bonds beyond everything. From then till now, when I see the graph has just raised, okay, and thank you so much. One incident which I am never going to forget and going to be reiterating throughout my life is the conversation, the rickshaw conversation we had during DC. When I knew that COVID is there, I had decided that, ठीक है, I am going to be the most relieved president. Sports extravaganza hoga hi nahi, karna hi nahi hai. So to those who don't know, sports extravaganza is like the benchmark event of RCTD, which involves like humongous efforts and hard work. But then she was the one who was like, okay, nahi hoga, that is going to be no new. But then if you do it, you're going to be remembered as the president who did sports extravaganza despite pandemic. And I don't know how, I don't know why, and that motivated me to like next level. From there till, you know, she's seen me breaking down, she's seen me crying, ranting, all the 4 a.m. calls, 5 a.m. calls. And thank you, Priya. I cannot have a better secretary than yours. Thank you so much. Moving ahead, RCTD is surely known for its legacy of past presidents. And it would be a disgrace for me if I don't thank Rotractor Abhijit Durve, Rotractor Suraj Raje, Rotractor Siddhi Zawalkar, Rotractor Sharang Bhide, Rotractor Jairaj, and Rotractor Mayuresh for the best set of past presidents who could ever be. I mean, the advice and guidance from time to time have always been helpful. Special thanks to some of the alumni and the close circle of RCTDians. Alumnus Rotractor Priyanka Bhasagre, Vedant Nale, Sharang Bhide, Grishma, Amit, etc., who have been a backbone in numerous occasions. And trust me, this year would not have been the way it is had you guys not chipped in at places you had to. So thank you so much for that. Yet another pillar for any Rotaract club would be its Rotary, right? So Sunil uncle, thank you so much if you're here, and to each and every Rotarian out there, your advice, guidance, support means a lot to me, and thank you so much for that. Interactor Akshat Mishra, the Interact president of the only community-based Interact Club of Thane Downtown. Thank you so much. You've been a great and a fun president to work along with, and I hope this legacy keeps continuing in Interact as well. The DRR, Rotarian Rotractor Amit Lad. Thank you so much. I know I have hounded you at the worst times of the night and the best times of the day, and you've been supportive throughout. And thank you so much for that. The Council 53, a set of marvelous DCMs. You guys have been a call away to all the core, and
That's true.
myself. And thank you for all the support throughout.
जो
Now
बोल
coming
रहा था
to
कि
family outside
actually ना
Protract pattern.
नाटक लगे बाद कैसे में जो लोग तो बोले थे कितने लगी आना बोले कुछ ना
नहीं
बोले
लगी यहाँ ना पर डिपार्टमेंट परमिशन फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट दा अंडर है ना होता है
हाँ
थोड़ा सा देर म्यूट कर लो ना, मेरा स्पीच खत्म होने आ ही गया, डोंट वरी. So okay, coming to the family outside Rotract fraternity. Of course, the prime people of my life, my mom, dad, and my granny. Can't imagine what this year would have been without you guys. And trust me, like any other Rotractor's parent, right? We've had a lot of quarrels, lot of tiffs, numerous fights and anger issues between all of us because of the disastrous amount of time I spend in Rotract. But yet, these two instances again, okay, like one of them being SE with mom. So my mom has seen me go mad because of sports extravaganza. One day I was just sitting at home working in my office and I was totally zoned out. And she asked me, "Matlab, kya hua hai? What is wrong with you?" and everything. And I simply broke down because that was the amount of saturation level that had piled up. And thank you so much, mom, for being there always and throughout. Yet another incident with dad would be he was one of those who is okay with me being in Rotract, but not okay with me spending the amount of time I do in Rotract. Okay. But then the day before Aras, he was like, dude, dekh, Acer Vacer chalega, but then you get how much ever Acers you want, whatever you do. We are going to have a party in the house. And that party, trust me, we had it in our house today. And that's how these guys have been motivating me and supporting me throughout. And trust me, I wanted you both to be there here today. It has been a dream always for me to have you guys listen me live. Symbiosis ka farewell tha, wherein I have had to get a few awards, but then that got online because of COVID and you guys couldn't come.
Don't worry, Nisha, we are all hearing you.
Okay, thank you. I wanted you guys to be a part of my incoming installation, but then again, you guys couldn't make it. Outgoing maybe nahi aa paaye because this is again happening online, but thank you for everything. You guys have been the best. Yeah, I had promised I will never cry, but then only when I talk about you guys, tears flow down my eyes. But thank you so much for everything. Going ahead, last but not the least, a big fat thanks to EY because I'll tell you this, okay, I was handling just 2 projects until 2nd of June, but all of a sudden out of the blue, I was tagged to 4 projects from 2nd June onwards. I don't know how did EY come to know that probably my, responsibilities are getting over, but then since 2nd June till yesterday, I have been working like 18 hours per day, completing all those 4, but thank you so much for ensuring that at least during my tenure, there was at least a less pressure on me. And thank you so much, you guys. You have been the best of people. Last, I might have missed many people, and there are numerous ones without whom the year would not have been what it is. And I shall always be grateful to each of you all to ensuring that we became as successful as we are today. So before I sign off for the day, I wanted to do this moment since and forever. So signing off as the proudest president of 2020-21, one last time, Rotract Club of Thane Downtown with a mic drop moment.
Woo! Go Nisha.
Go, Nisha.
Go Nisha.
Go, Nisha.
Nisha.
चलो चैट बॉक्स में निशा ओपी आना चाहिए.
We, as a whole team of 2020-21, have been immensely proud and shall always continue to be for the work that our president did. Time and again, she has proved herself, backing every member of her team to rise to their potential. Nisha, you have surely been an inspiration for all of us. Let us all give a huge round of applause to Nisha and her team members.
Go Nisha. So thank you, Nisha, for being the bestest president, which have graced RCTD. So yes, if your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. This one line is sufficient to describe our incoming president. May I now request Rotractor Shubham Kadam to introduce the beloved and energetic president of Rotrac Club of Thane Downtown for the year 2021-2022. Shubham.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Rotractor Shubham Kadam, the very best friend of our very own president-elect, soon to be president, Rotractor Pratik Vidwans. First of all, Nisha, congratulations on your great year. It's my privilege. I have been the vice president in your year. So moving forward, we'll be moving to our next president, Rotractor Pratik Vidwans. So usually what happens in Rotrac is like people from Rotrac goes to Rotary. But this person has been having a different journey. He came from Rotary to a Rotrac. So let's know what all he has done in his year. So talking about Rotractor, Rotarian, past president of a Rotary club, Pratik Vidwans. He has been an arts graduate and professionally he owns a shop and also he's a professional singer. So his Rotary career, he started at 1st July 2016 as a GBM, and in RI Rotary year 2017-18, he was International Service Director with Rotary Club of Pasik Hills. In 1920, he left Rotary Club of Pasik Hills and joined Rotary Club of Thane Royals. In his presidential year, he achieved Silver Citation Award from DG Ashish Ganguly. In Rotary year 2016-17, he achieved Runner-Up Award. In 1819, he achieved Rotary Winner Award in Singing category. And in 1920, he achieved Winner Award in Duet Singing category in Rotary. In Rotary Avenue Co-Chair elect in Youth Service Director 2021. Also, he is an International Fellowship of Rotarian and Musicians 3142. And in his Rotrac year, he joined in 1920. And from that year, he has not stopped. In the very first year, he was the best PR and marketing director in RRD 3142, winning an ACER. And even in this year, he was nominated for the best PS director in 1920. And also the best Sergeant at Arms. So with my big heart and my best friend calling upon the next president of our RC Thane Downtown, Rotractor, Rotarian, Pratik Vidwans.
Go Pratik!
Go Pratik!
Go Pratik!
So now our IPP would be handing over the gavel, gong and collaring to our incoming president, Pratik Vidwans.
बिल्कुल मन नहीं है ट्रस्ट में
Let's have Go Pratik in the chat, please. Now I would like our Rotractor Rotarian Pratik Vidwans to give his acceptance speech.
Thank you, Nisha. And thank you, Shubham and Pushkar. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome all of you to the 8th installation of Rotary Club of Thane Downtown. I welcome my guests who are here to support me from all around the globe. I'm taking a few names. George, Marine, Nana, Negeman Yuma, my sister and my friend, Ruendo. These are few names, but many more here. Firstly, we apologize for any technical glitch because of this is our first time we are going hybrid. Hope you all are enjoying this evening. I am proud to be a Rotarian and Rotractor. I am most honored and humbled to be elected as president of the Rotrac Club of Thane Downtown for our year 21-22, and with the help of support my board members and fellow club members. I hope to take the club even gather even greater heights. Our club has been built a strong leadership foundation, and I am fortunate to have the opportunity to carry forward legacy. Everyone is fully committed to be Rotaract ideas. Being a part of the change maker, I wish to continue take the extra mile in building uh, the club and carrying out many worthwhile projects for benefit of my community. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate immediate past president Nisha Raju and her team for very successful year, as IPP Rotaract Nisha did many things show her support for me as her successor in the initial months, and I take her and Rotaractor Priya and all the members of Rotaract Thane Downtown, and shall be grateful always. I would also like to congratulate every core member and board of directors of team. I think I thank all the fellow members showing confidence in me, and I look forward to serving without you all. I have already seen the energy, enthusiasm, and commitment that you all bringing on board. I know we will continue doing same together as team. Thank you, DRR Rajesh Dhoni. Thank DCM from their help towards RCTD and BOD always. Thank you, Rotary Vaishali, Rotary President, my parent Rotary President, for consistent support. And one name I especially thank for Vijay Keval, past President Rotary Vijay Keval Remani sir. He's my mentor. आज जो भी कुछ मेरा नाम है इंटरनेशनली वो for this guy behind me. Thank you Vijay sir. A few lines is there. You work hard, you make money, but you do it yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek people who need your help. You make their life better. You become that sponge. You become that sponge who which can absorb all the negativity, and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, that is a real life you live. Thereby, I take the responsibility as the president of Rotary Club Thane Downtown 21-22, and I, along with the team, are all set to set a newer benchmark and achieve even more. Thank you so much.
Go Pratik.
Pratik.
Just a video, please. Team technical desk.
You have my heart, will not.
Okay. My mistake. First of our year banner. Technical desk, please. So guys, this is our year banner. Our year banner is, our year theme is vision. You all know meaning of vision. Vision into sustainability and integrity through opportunity and novel ideas. Thank you. And next is our thrust area, technical desk. Please play the video of our thrust areas.
You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you still be my star, baby. 'Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you, I'll always share. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik. I now
Thank you, Pushkar.
I now call Sergeant at Arms Rotaractor Mansi Kante for the induction of our new members. Rotaractor Mansi Kante.
Yeah, so hello everyone. This is Rotaractor Mansi Kante, Sergeant at Arms for the year 21-22. So I will be taking a few names who will be joining our RCTD family for the year 21-22. So the names are as follows. Rotaractor Jai Jagtap, Rotaractor Tanish Tripathi, Rotaractor Nimali Kini, Rotaractor Shlok Sharma, Rotaractor Shruti Kamble, Rotaractor Pavan Kohli, Rotaractor Manas Yadav, Rotaractor Vinit Agevlier, Rotaractor Raj Naik, Rotaractor Mohammad Ayan Sheikh, Rotaractor Manasi Shetty, Rotaractor Ankur Rajak, Rotaractor Manasi Srivastav, Rotaractor Ritik Mangla, Rotaractor Prajay Jangam, Rotaractor Sakshi Prajapati, Rotaractor Parth Parte, and Rotaractor Shruti Nair. An induction oath has been sent to you guys on your email ID. Kindly acknowledge the oath. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mansi.
Thank you, Mansi. Now, without further ado, I request Rotarian Rotaractor Pratik Vidwan to release his score and board of directors.
I'm releasing our core committee 21-22. Next slide, please. Our immediate past president, Nisha Raju, best president. My secretary, Kenisha Khabia. Joint Secretary Rotaractor Saloni Sharma. Vice President, main function, Rotaractor Aishwarya John. Vice President, support function, Rotaractor Viraj Kulkarni. Our treasurer, Rotaractor Ashwin Sonavne. our Sergeant at Arms, one and only Mansi Kante. Our chair training revival and sustain. Rotator Himanshu Dapurkar. Chair Partners in Service, Rotator Shruti Tiwari. Our club mentor and my best friend, Rotator Shubham Kadam. Thank you. This is my core team, year 21-22. Thank you. Next is board of directors. Our community service directors, Rotator Swakit Pashankar and Rotator Ankur Rajak. Our club service director, Rotator Shlok Sharma and Rotator Dhanashri Gadakar. Our international service directors, Rotator Varya Jadhav and Dhanashri Gadakar. Our sports director, here is three our sports directors. First is Rotator Pratik Mirashi. Second, Rotator Saurabh Kevalramani. And third, Rotator Prajay Jangam. Our professional service directors, Rotator Jay Jagtap and Rotator Pushkar Kulkarni. Our entrepreneurship development directors, Rotator Ashwin Sonawne and Rotator Tanik Tripathi. Our TRS directors, Rotator Shruti Kamble and our PRN director, Rotator Dhruv Desai. Our editorial directors, Rotator Shefali Talarkar and Rotator Isha Deshmukh. Our Digicom, our digital communication director, Rotator Nimali Keni, Rotator Manas Yadav, and Rotator Pawan Kohli. Thank you. I missed this. Our body council member, one and only, Nupur Rahane. Thank you. And our new member and partners in service director, Rotator Mansi Srivastav. And now our ZRRs 21-22, Rotator Pranod Kalchekar. And ZRR 21-22, Rotator Himanshu Dapurkar. And our guest of honor, my sister, my friend from Rotary Club of Abuja, JB, Lakeside, Rotarian Dr. Negioman Yuva. And our guest of honor, Rotarian Senate Balan. He is Youth Service Director, Rotary 21-22. And our chief guest, none and only, dear Rotarian Rotractor Rayesh Dhoni. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik, for the release of core and your BOD team. So now calling upon our BCM, Rotractor Nupur Rahane, to speak a few words for us. Rotractor Nupur.
Hi guys, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Hi guys, this is Rotractor Nupur Rahane, District Joint Admin Director and Party Council Member for Rotary Club of Thane Downtown. I have enjoyed this installation so much, although I couldn't be there, but I've been watching since the start and it's been going so amazing so far. And whatever events, whatever meetings I have attended with you guys till now, I mean, it's not been much, but as much as we have done till now, it's been so amazing. It was so much fun. I can't wait to, just rock the year with you guys. And congratulations, Nisha. It's been such a fantastic year. And I have no doubt you're just going to take it to greater heights, Pratik. All the very best, you guys. And yeah, you're just going to rock it together.
Up next,
Thank you, Nupur. Thank you.
Up next, I call upon our ZRRs, Rotractor Himanshu Dapurkar and Rotractor Pranod Kalsikar to share a few words with us.
Firstly, how fancy is this? I'm in so for people who don't know what's up, we are in a very fancy studio and it's really cool. So that's really good. So starting with the note, Nisha, your was amazing. I think you don't need validation from either of us or anybody at all. I think it's your word for everybody else's, and you've done an amazing job. Nothing comes close to how much you've elevated the Rotary Club of Thane Downtown. Moving on to Pratik, you're going to have a very, very, very tough time, building upon this. But if there's anybody we know for a fact that is going to lead the club to a better place, it's you. So congratulations for being inducted as president today. We're very happy. Your smile is priceless. I mean, I feel the vibe coming from you. So it feels really good. And congratulations to you and your entire team. And we hope nothing but the best. And it goes without saying that we're going to be there for you throughout the year, for you, your entire team. And whatever you need, we'll be there. We just, we're not even a call away at this point, I think. Here you are.
This is Rotractor Himanshu Dapurkar, zonal Rotractor representative Zone 2, and also the TRS chair for RCDD, my home club. So pretty much Pranod ne jo kaha, it's like very well explained. I don't have much to say, but I'll just say one thing. As a ZRR's home club, I'm really privileged to be the part of RCTD and in the team of Pratik Vidwans. That's it. And congratulations to Nisha and all the best to Pratik Vidwans. And of course, remember who you are. And you will always be the part of Zone 2. And RCTD will always be one of those clubs we will I adore a lot personally. That's it. Thank you. So yeah, I would like to call Kanisha also. There's a token of love from Zone 2.
Who's ZRRs?
So there is something from Pratik to the ZRRs. So yes.
Why Pratik is getting it, can we know which camera I'm really confused. So, yeah, for people who think we're confused, we are confused because there are like 3 cameras in front of us, so we don't know which one to look at. So, but yeah. Oh, wow.
This is for our ZRRs.
Wow. Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Please take a screenshot, technical team.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So that was a lovely speech by our beloved Zadaras. So yes, now I call Rotaractor Kenisha Khabia to introduce our guest of honor. Kenisha.
Thank you, Pushkar. So we have two guests of honors today. One of them is Rotaractor Dr. Negeumen Yuva, who is a licensed private practicing doctor of veterinary medicine with expertise in small animal medicine, development strategy, administration, and pet import and export certification, and with over 8 years of work experience. She currently lives and works in Abuja, Nigeria. She is extremely passionate about developing the animal sector and changing the perception about pet care in Nigeria. She is a co-owner of Veggies, a premium pet boarding facility in Abuja. She is also an antimicrobial steward who has joined the fight against superbugs. She is an enthusiastic, motivated, reliable, responsible, and hardworking person who is able to adapt to all challenging situations and values professionalism. Her favorite TV documentary is How It's Made. She loves adventures and would love to travel the world. Dr. Yuva joined Rotary in June 2016 and became her club's secretary in the RI year 2018-19, the club's membership chair and president-elect in the RI year 2019-20, and served as the trailblazer president of the Rotary Club of Abuja, Jabi, Lakeside RID 9125 in the RI year 2020-21, and is currently the Charter Country Coordinator of Women in Rotary International for Nigeria, Secretary of Women in Rotary RID 9125, the Treasurer of Water is Life Committee RID 9125, and a Paul Harris Fellow. With this brief introduction, I present to you Rotarian Dr. Yuva. Rotarian Dr. Yuva.
Good evening from here, dear Rotaractors, Rotarians, guests, and friends of Paul Harris. Let me start by congratulating the Rotaract Club of Thane Downtown. It is indeed my honor to be here. And I bring you felicitations from the Rotary Club of Abuja Jabi Lakeside and Rotarians from District 9125, Nigeria. It is indeed my honor again to be talking to such talented group of youths on this exciting occasion. I've listened to the program so far. I've seen all the wonderful projects that you have done. I congratulate Rotaractor, immediate past president, Rotaractor Nisha Raju, on her accomplishments, and all of your club members. They are mind-blowing, their quality projects that you have done for last year. I have no doubt that Rotarian Rotaractor Pratik will have a very successful year with the team members that he has. And efforts from last year will be doubled. You guys have such a wonderful support structure in your club. I am really impressed. Your president was one of the highlights of my Rotary year last year, and I'm very grateful to him for his unwavering support. Although I'm in faraway Nigeria, I pledge my 100% support to the club in whatever way I can, and to connect you with as many Rotary and Rotaract clubs in Nigeria as I can. I hereby wish the Rotaract Club of Thane Downtown the best year yet, and congratulations to each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Our second guest of honor, Rotarian Senek Balan. He owns his business units in Hand Select, Impex AB, Sweden, and Anacardo Organic, India. Rotarian Senek Balan joined Rotary in the year 2016 and was the charter president of Rotary Club of Thane Smart City. He was the Avenue co-chair for Medical Group 4 in the Rotary year 2019-20 and Avenue Chair for Non-Medical Group 1 in the Rotary year 2020-21. He is the Avenue Chair for New Generation Support for the Rotary year 2021-22 and is also the District Interact Chair this year. His wife, Reggie Senect, works as a senior program manager in an US-based company, Teva Pharmaceuticals, and his son, Ishan, is in Poddar International School, Hiranandani Estate. With this brief introduction, I present to you Rotarian Senect Balan.
Thank you for the brief introduction. It was wonderful seeing you all here and hearing you, listening to you all. And there were certain observations that I could do because most of the things were already told across by everybody who had come. And I'm sure that the goals are already set for this year. And the goals were already set for last year as well. And so many have been achieved as well. I would like to start by congratulating Nisha. In the pandemic year, the kind of effort she has put in, the number of projects that I could just list down by just looking at what all she had done, 68 international projects and more than 200 projects in all is just amazing. I think, Pratik, you have been given a higher benchmark to follow by Nisha. And I think you will have to do much more than what you already anticipated. And I'm sure you could do it. All the support that you need from the district end would definitely be kind of extended to you. And you can always get in touch with the ZRRs as well as myself and the district team for New Generation for any sort of support that you might be thinking that you might need. Okay. And I would also like to congratulate the Rotary Club of Thane Downtown for conducting this event in a very wonderful way. I had come here to see three things. I saw all of them. I saw emotion, I saw energy, and I also saw passion. So thank you guys. Thank you for inviting me and thank you for making me a part of this. Best of luck and good luck to all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Our chief guest for today, Rotarian Rotractor, Rahesh Dhoni, is a business consultant who helps MSMEs and startups overcome their business and management challenges with over 7 of his clients on road to get listed by 2025, whilst also being a serial entrepreneur with investments in the field of education consulting, CSR consulting, color cosmetics, information technology, and wealth management. He also holds 2 patents in the field of nanotechnology for his research in nanobiotech blood cells. His entrepreneurial journey saw him recognized as the top 50 entrepreneurs in the International Business Excellence Award 2018 held in Dubai. Rahesh is also a motivational speaker and has given talks at numerous summits, conferences, and inspirational platforms. He also keeps influencing people through his social media handles at the rate 15 Sec Wisdom on Instagram and the You Matter podcast. His passion towards making the world a better place brought him to the world of Rotary Rotract in the year 2014, when he was a charter member of the Rotract Club of Navi Mumbai Industrial Area. He went on to serve the club as the president in the year 2016-17, and his work received a special recognition by the then Union Cabinet Minister of Women and Child Development, Mrs. Menka Gandhi. He went on to serve the district in various positions before being announced as the change-making DRR for the year 2021-22. Rahesh also headed the COVID war room for the district during the pandemic, which was successful in helping over 350 people. He is married to a superwoman, Avantika Mathur, a national artist, and both of them are members of the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai Industrial Area. The couple share their home with their 4 pets, 3 cats, and a dog. An entrepreneur, a philanthropist, a leader, a speaker, and most importantly, a change maker. Please welcome Rotarian Rotractor Rahesh Dhoni.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for that introduction. cannot start addressing the entire gathering or the entire family of RCTD without giving a greeting to all the esteemed and privileged stalwarts who are there in the room. So let me go ahead, and in case I miss you out, I apologize for it. Let me start off with the Smile Presidents, Vaishali Thorat ma'am from the Rotary Club of Thane Downtown, and the Smile President Umesh Patil from the Rotary Club of Thane Royals. The guest of honor, Senek Balan, the Avenue Chair, and the support for the Interact clubs in the district. The other guest of honor, Dr. Neguman Yuva. Thank you so much for joining us. I see past President Abhijit Durve, someone who's under whose leadership I started my council journey. Hi, Durve. DRR elect Adil Khan. I see the ZRRs Pranod and Himanshu, and I think this past president Rotarian Vijay Kevalamani sir as well. So a very warm good evening to one and all. And in case if I have missed you, my sincere apologies because I've been trying to see through this participant list of Zoom. So in case I missed you, my sincere apologies. A very good evening to one and all, and a very warm good evening to the family of RCTD. Honestly, I feel honored to be here, honored and privileged to be here and be a part and be the chief guest of the quintessential, installation ceremony that you guys are having. Oh yes, thank you, Mayuresh, for messaging me. Actually, I wanted to go ahead with all the past presidents of the Road Track Club of Thane Downtown. I don't know if Siddhi is here, my batchmate. There's Mayuresh. All the Rajev, I don't know if you're here. All the past presidents of the Road Track Club of Thane Downtown, y'all as well. As I mentioned, I might miss out a few names. And my council members, my change-making council members. Thank you so much for joining us. To start off with, thank you for having me. And as I mentioned, I'm truly honored and privileged to be the chief guest at this installation ceremony. I cannot start giving advice to the club without giving due respect to the mammoth and phenomenal task done and achieved by Nisha. Nisha, honestly, the day you put the collar on was a super proud moment for me because Mayuresh handed over the collar to you, and both of you all were two people from my Digicom team. It was one of those, and I remember coming to the installation ceremony, and I remember telling it to you that it's part of my bucket list because there were 4 people in my team who were not presidents. Vishal Shah became a president, Mayuresh became a president, and you became a president. The last one I think is in hopes. He's now a secretary. I hope he's going to become a president soon. But my honest fulfillment was there when I saw you wear the collar, and somewhere or the other, bolte na dil ko thandak pahunchi. Like it was amazing because I knew you were meant for great things. I've seen the capability you have. Leave me, the world recognizes you for the capabilities that you have. It was honestly a super proud moment. And when I sat in the ARA committee, and we were looking at what all has been done by Thane Downtown. Like as I went through projects, as I went through Pranali and I put RCTD and I looked at the 200 odd projects and I read through each report, one after the other, not even the ones that you nominated, like just went through each project. It just blew my mind. Because trust me, and I say this as God as my witness, I say this, that the way you guys have performed, pandemic or no pandemic, Thane Downtown, the way they performed this year would have taken a #1 club any which year, be it a pandemic, be it a year without a pandemic. The way you guys performed was phenomenal. It was out of this world. Like when everyone was restricted and were thinking of trying to do things out of the box, I have no idea how you were able to manage to still do sports extravaganza, how you were able to do O2 on wheels. Like you guys just managed to do everything. You guys managed to everything. Like if you look at those project reports, not once would you ever feel that there was a lockdown and clubs weren't able to perform the same way. Not once would you ever feel that. And I think Priya and Nisha, I'm super proud that both of y'all were women, that it were women leaders who proved time and again that even pandemic or no pandemic, I think women leaders really need to shine. And the two of you all led the club headstrong, and it's a testament. And I think this will be something that will go on for years. This will go on for years. People will always use this as an example of the way Thane Downtown performed during the pandemic. I think it will be those benchmarks of performances for the longest time ever. Um, Thank you so much for giving us such a productive year. Honestly, you made us feel like when we on the district end, when we were doing our projects, especially during the COVID war room time, and you all started, you all did the project of O2 on Wheels. Um, that time, you all gave us that motivation that, clubs also at this point of time are not letting go. As a district, we shouldn't. You all were doing that fight head on with us right in front, and a huge respect to you. Nisha, I love you to bits. You are very close to me, and um, I feel really, I mean, you know how much of a hard time I have given you for not joining my council. I think it's my loss because I know what you're capable of. I know you're truly a change maker in every sense. You breathe, your DNA says that of a change maker. And I have to start off by talking about you because there is no way I can talk about Pratik and go to Pratik without giving you your due respect, because it's been just that good. It's been just that good. Thank you so much, Nisha. And Priya for that matter. I still remember when we were on stage, I told you, Priya, Nisha, stop going so far and sitting, take a seat somewhere ahead because it's going to be a long walk each time you have to come on stage. You guys came on the stage, I think like what, 8 times, 9 times. You just keep coming, kept coming. Coming to the incoming president, Pratik, and the incoming secretary, Kanisha, I think you guys, um, I think you guys would already be flooded with the level of expectations people have around you and saying, ki, "Arey, first club, you have to match that," and all of that. But my sincere request to you is just do the same thing that the previous team did, and that was just be themselves. They just went there to be themselves. They just expressed themselves. They were in their own element. I don't know if how many of you from the family of RCTD have seen the documentary on Netflix called The Last Dance. And if you haven't, this is something that I would recommend you to watch. I mean, I'm a basketball fanatic. As you all know, I've already mentioned Kobe Bryant in my incoming speech. But The Last Dance is something that I think whether you like basketball or not, you need to watch it, and especially this year. In fact, I would recommend it's a 10-part series. All RCTD-kers, I don't know how to say it, but all the members of RCTD,
RCTDians.
take the time out. RCTDians. All right. Thank you, Pratik. RCTDians. So all the RCTDians, come on Discord for 10 days. Every day, you'll take 45 minutes out and just watch this. Watch one episode per day. And it's about the entire journey of Michael Jordan, and especially the kind of pressure that was on him to win a championship. That man wound up winning 5 championships. All right, one even coming after retirement. Like he retired, came back, and won another championship. But it talks about how when a standard has already been set, how you come back to beat that standard, and each time you keep raising the bar higher for yourself. And I think it's something that will really drive you. I had a lot written about this when I knew that. I mean, I was a chief guest for Thane Downtown. A lot of my speech was written very centric to drive you all to a conversation or a dialogue wherein I could help you or motivate you, telling that how you all could overcome this pressure. But I realized that the essence of it is actually experiencing it yourself. And if I gave you a lot of gyan about it, I think it wouldn't be justice for the experience that you need to have and the learnings that you need to take out of it. To the rest of the family, the extended family of RCTD, that is the Rotary, the other partners in service, your Interact, you all have done really well. I mean, I'm really amazed of the relationships that you all have created. I think, and I might be wrong, but as far as my recollection, probably in 3142, RCTD are the first Rotaract club to sponsor a Rotary district event. I think if I might be wrong. I might might stand corrected a while later if somebody reminds me of something else. But um, if I'm not wrong, I think this is an initiative, or this is something that has finally has made me really proud, because I think the relationship that you have with all your partners in service is just exceptional. It's really exceptional. Um, I've always, like, when I was announced the DRR, one of the first promises that I ever made to myself was, uh, by the year ends, I will ensure that the Rotaract district that gives a check to TRF, to the Rotary district. And the whole thought behind it was, not that because I want to give a TRF, or I want half the Rotarians to become Rotaractors to become PHFs or whatever, but the whole thought was that I felt that I think Rotary would take us seriously when they realize that we are actually at par in everything and everything we do. And it was a thought for me. The way you all have maintained your relations with your Rotary, with your Interact, I think you all have actually achieved that. You have actually achieved that. You all have set the bar for other clubs to realize that if RI considers Rotary and Rotaract equal, then we need to start behaving like Rotary and Rotaract are equal. And I think you all are a standing example for it. You all have led the way. You all are the club that's paving. You all are literally paving that way for clubs to follow. And it's a beautiful example that you all set. Pratik, continue that. I don't know if this has ever happened again, but I'm sure 3142 में तो ये तो मैं guarantee के साथ बोल के दे रहा हूँ कि there has never been a Rotary president who has become a Rotaract president later. I know a lot of stories of Rotaract presidents who went on to become Rotary presidents. Hopefully someday even I would do that. And there will be a journey of couple of callers that you do. But I think Pratik is one person who's been a Rotary president and now has stepped into a Rotaract president. And I think you're a change maker by default, because you made the change where people look at it as a jump going to Rotary. You realized, or you saw the opportunity in Rotaract, and you have come over here to make your mark over here. So I really can't say much, because I honestly am beaming with pride. I'm really beaming with pride, because Thane Downtown was a club that I was really close with. I don't know if Siddhi is there over here or not, but Siddhi was one of my closest batchmates when we were presidents together. And that time was also the time Thane Downtown came first in the district that year as well, under Siddhi's leadership. Siddhi used to study in DY Patil at that point of time, so visiting my house in Seawoods was pretty regular. Thane Downtown was always very close to me. It was always very close to me. So it's just a moment of pride that I'm also gloating in right now to be here with you. But if I have to leave you all with one advice, it is this. So when Usain Bolt ran the under 18 World Championships, he set an 100-meter record of 9.36 or something like that. All right. And when he said that, they always said that it's almost impossible to beat. Like, it's humanly impossible to go faster than that at that age. And obviously, you all know Usain Bolt went on to set the world records, which still stand strong for the 100-meter and 200-meter at the Olympics. But just last week, there was another Jamaican runner itself who broke Usain Bolt's under 18 record. And that's what I have to tell all of you. Like, in spite of how amazing this year was, records are set to be broken. And you really have it in you to outpower yourself, each one of you, because I know it's not just Nisha, it's not just Priya, or say Mayuresh, who won for best IPP. It's not just few people who have come together, because each of y'all are still part of this family. All y'all are doing is changing roles. All you're doing is changing roles. Your seats are changing, but the family that's going to work together is still the same. So it's up to you to beat your own pace, your own power. And Before I go, I actually have one last thing to say. I think Nisha's mom is over here. Maya Raju, I think, is here. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
Um,
mom's here.
um, Sorry, but Auntie, I just saw you over here on the participant list and I had to address you as well. Um, Auntie, I think your daughter is someone who you should be very, very, very proud of. And I'm addressing it to you, but honestly, it is addressed to all the parents of the Rotractors of Thane Downtown. Your kids are making the most of this movement. They seriously are. And if I can give an example, almost every past president of this club has wound up leaving the country and going abroad and settling. I think Siddhi and Mayuresh and now Nisha are few exceptions, but only temporarily conditions apply. And the reason why I feel so is because they've really explored and made the most out of this organization. You really need to be proud. And for all the family members who are there, please keep supporting because your kids are really making the best of what they can. We keep comparing our children or say Indian children to that of the other countries, and we talk about exposure and how exposure is more over there than it is over here. The one thing that balances it out is in a platform like Rotaract. So keep supporting them because you can really see the love, the affection, the brotherhood. I think brotherhood is a wrong term, but the camaraderie that has come across all of them, and together how much impact they are making. How are they saving lives? I think it's time for all of y'all to beam with pride. You know, push your shoulders back, raise your chest up, put your noses lifted high, and say that my children are associated with the Rotary Club of Thane Downtown, because it's really, I mean, the work that they have done has really touched thousands and thousands and thousands of lives. My last message to all of y'all would be is to all of y'all, please aim for the sky. Always aim high. Aiming high and missing is always greater than aiming lower and hitting. So aim high, reach for the stars, and you can really do it because you are a part of the Rotary Club of Thane Downtown. You are an ambassador of love. You are a leader. You're a Rotaractor. You are a mover and shaker. You are an agent and a voice of disruption. You are the pulse of tomorrow because you are a change maker. Thank you so much for having me and all the very best for the year to come.
Thank you, Resh. Thank you.
Rahesh, before you go, Nisha would like to speak a few words for you.
Sure.
Hi, Rahesh. So I can't stop gleaming when you talk so much about me, and I am extremely, extremely, extremely grateful to have been a council member under your leadership. I've always said that you've been one of the best mentors I've ever had. Council 54 or no Council 54, like we discussed on call a few days back, I'm just a call away for anything, anytime, and means a lot coming from you, each and everything that you've said. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot and more.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nisha.
Bye.
So now I would like to request our our president, Rotarian Rotaractor Pratik Gidbounce, for some midday meal certificates.
Team, take this. Please show certificate of midday meal. Midday meal certificate we will send you to a mail. Thank you for joining with us. Thank you, Nagyuvan ma'am. Thank you, Rahesh. Thank you, Senate, and thank you, VK sir, my mentor, for joining with us. Thank you.
So now I would request our Vice President, Rotaractor Aishwarya John, to present the vote of thanks.
Hello everyone. Myself, Protractor Aishwarya John, Vice President Main Functions for the year 2021-22. I would like to extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the chief guest of RCTD installation DRR Rotarian Protractor Rahesh Doni and our guest of honor Rotarian Dr. Neguman Yuva and Rotarian Senek Balin for gracing this event by their presence. ZRR's Rotractor Himanshu Dapurkar and Rotractor Pranod Kalsekar, BCM Rotractor Nupur Rahane. I must express our sincere thanks to all the Rotarians of Rotary Club of Thane Downtown and other respected Rotarians from around the globe. Further, I am highly grateful to all the district club members, Rotractors, and my fellow club members for being part of this zestful event for RCTD. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our wonderful PCPs, Rotractor Dhanashri Gadakkar, Rotractor Pushkar Kulkarni, Dr. Pushkar Kulkarni, Rotractor Shlok Sharma, and Rotractor Jay Jagtap. All the members of our technical team, Rotractor Nimali Keni, Rotractor Pavan Kohli, and the MOCs, Rotractor Dr. Pushkar Kulkarni and Rotractor Isha Deshmukh. Also thanking Nirvana Music Studio for an amazing venue and technical support. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and participation in today's event. This installation wouldn't have been possible without your support. Once again, our RCTD is honored by your presence. We are looking forward to a great year and constant support from you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Now, I would like to request our secretary, Rotractor Kenisha Khabia, to give the very first secretarial announcements for the year.
I, Rotractor Kenisha Khabia, Secretary 2021-22 of Rotrac Club of Thane Downtown, would like to present my first secretariat announcement. Attendance for the 8th installation ceremony is as follows. Rotarians 32, District Council members 35, other club Rotractors 139, club Rotractors 41, guests, parents, and other participants 23, alumni 4, making it a grand total of 274. Thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you, Kenisha. Before we officially call it a day, let us take some screenshots of all the wonderful faces that have joined us today and treasure this moment in our memories, because such events are always better in the old-fashioned offline way, right? Let's pray to that, and I thank you all once again for joining us on this momentous evening.
Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. I would now request our President, Routine Rotractor Pratik Vidwans, to adjourn the meeting. Go, Pratik.
Finally, I adjourned the meeting. फोडलं नाही.
And with that, we come to an end. Wishing you all a safe and healthy life. Signing off as your host for tonight, Rotractor Isha Deshmukh.
We as hosts thoroughly enjoyed this online hosting experience, and we hope all of you enjoyed our installation ceremony. We beg your pardon if there were any technical glitches from our end. I hope and that we all get to each other very soon. This is Rotractor Dr. Pushkar Kulkarni signing off as your host for tonight. Thank you. The forum is open for other club announcements.